I know say the economy no dey very friendly currently because e dey touch everybody, but you don ever realize say even in the hard economy, some people dey wey still dey buy house, some people dey wey still dey buy car, some people dey wey be say dem no dey complain at all because why? Dem get sure update. But why be say person go dey hide update for dis hard economy? E no make sense. Well, I no too get much, but today I just wan tell una say if you get dis app wey dem dey call WhatsApp, you come get dis app wey dem dey call TikTok, or you dey currently watch dis video for TikTok, den dis update na for you, but I want make you pay at ten tion to the end of dis video. Now, dis update be say, you know say if you wan make money, is either you render a service, alright, or you sell a product. Now, even if you no get product to sell, you fit dey help other people sell their product, and anytime wey you sell, you go earn commission. That is, dem go pay you small thing from that sales wey you don make. Dis update sure. Dis update never cast since dem tell me 2021 dey come. Now, just in case, because no be everybody know how to sell, you dey understand? Just in case you wan learn how to sell, that is, you go dey sell other people digital product, I mean online courses, and anytime wey you sell, you go dey make huge commission, I mean 50% minimum. If you be that person, you wan learn how to sell, just comment for dis video now, I want to learn how to sell. Now, after that, make you check my profile. E get one WhatsApp link wey dey there. If you click on the WhatsApp link, e go carry you come my DM, where I go share you dis update step by step, so that you too, even in dis hard economy, you fit dey make money. So if dis one interest you, just click the link again. No forget, click the link wey dey my profile. I go see you for WhatsApp.